The Ancient One, Spirit of the Old, I greet you.
Your house is in chaos. Fate has turned around to sting you at the back.
I do not understand. Explain further.
Naza, the poultry girl, whom you wage war against, has a similarity with you. She has royal blood, pure blood.
Royal blood. From which kingdom?
The kingdom which you rule now.
Impossible. Impossible. Tell me you are messing with me.
Has the gods ever played a fast one on you before? Why would they do it now?
It's not possible. It cannot be possible. I came here to tell you that I want to finish her off completely. I do not believe your words, Ancient One.
Your reign is at the brink of collapsing. She has a destiny to bring you down.
Never. That is impossible, Ancient One. Nobody can bring me down. Nobody, no mortal or spirit, can bring me down. Let alone a woman.
Only if you do that one, which I say obediently, you will not fall.
And what do you say? She has come to reclaim that which was lost for years. Just as you said.
You will lose all unless you make sacrifice. Edochie.
I cannot sacrifice my son. He is the heir to my throne. My wife lost her womb during childbirth. Simply means I cannot have another heir.
You can marry as many wives as you want. Do that which you must do, unless you lose your empire.
Ekwedike, we don't to talk. It's time for action.
Bayawana, no match.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Who called my wife?
Your Highness, she left.
Left? What do you mean left? Left to where?
She left with your son and her luggages.
Her luggages?
Yes, Your Highness.
Where are you?
Somewhere save my king. Since you've brought war to your house, my son and I will not be a collateral of war. Okay? We'll be here till further notice.
Listen to me. I'm giving you 1 hour.
That's your business. I cannot subject my son to fear every minute of the day. Fight your war for yourself.
1 hour return.
Stop there! Stop! Please don't kill me, please. Don't kill me, please.
Hey, get into the car. Now! Move in!
Naza, when you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza, mama. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear, she's ready to fight. She know the fear, she's ready to fight. Naza,
Take. Put your husband's number on this phone. I want to talk to him.
Respect is a reciprocal. Naza is ready. Naza is ready.
Yeah, who's this?
Hello. This is Chinaza Amadi, the poultry woman.
Listen to me, you silly woman. You are messing with the wrong man. You are joking with the mountain lion. I will bury you alive, woman. Can you hear me? God! God!
Your Highness.
Go and get me Onu now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ow! Too much Maggie there inside though. I think I will go marry wife. Oh. My goodness, too much. Too much. Oh no, King wants you at the palace now. What for? That I had no idea of.
You can go. Let me finish my food and then I will come to the palace.
Oh no.
Yes.
You dare not keep the king waiting. We will not ask you again.
Okay. Get the last order. Can you allow me to go and drop this?
Oh no.
Oh, obey the last order. Wow. Let's go. You sent for me, and
Yes.
I hope all is well.
All is not well. You are aware my wife and son have been kidnapped, right?
No, I'm not.
You're not aware. You're lying to me. You're not aware.
I cannot lie to you.
Alright, fine. I'll make you be aware. Lie him down now.
My king, please. Please, I don't know where they are. I don't know.
Let him out. Are you ready to confess?
Yes, I am.
Speak.
Yes.
Speak.
I'm aware. But I don't know exactly where they are. Please.
You are aware?
Yes, I am.
Oh. So you know my wife and son were kidnapped. You planned it, right?
No.
You lied to me.
No.
Stretch out his head. Position his neck very well. Remove your hand.
No, my king! Let me call them. She will bring them back. Once she grab my boss, she will bring them back. Please, spare my life, my king. She will bring them back. Once she hears my voice, please, I'm begging you, spare my life.
Call them now. Give his phone. Call them now. You're wasting my time. Call them now.
Yes, my king. Yes.
Hello.
Oh no, your Igwe wife and son, they with me. I will not release them until he steps down from that throne. He must release Andy from the station. He has to return every landed property and belongings he forcefully collected from people. He will publicly confess how he killed my father, Amadi, and how his father killed the king of this land and took over his throne, who happens to be my real father. If he does all of this, I'll release his son and his wife. His time is counting.
Naza. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza, mama. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She not the fear at all. She's ready to fight. She not the fear at all. She's ready to fight. Naza, Naza.
My way, I assure you that your wife and your family, they will return today. But she's just making a small demand. Just check the condition. Can I say the condition, my way?
What condition?
I'm just reporting what she said. I'm not adding one word of my own. She said you must go and release Andy from the police custody. She said that all the community lands that you took forcefully from them, you must return it to each and every one of them. Finally, that you must confess how you killed Amadi, how your late father killed the late king and took over his throne. That you must confess all these things. Finally, she said you must step down from this throne. That's all she said. I'm not adding any of my own words, my king. I'm not adding, not even one single word.
I see. Guards, go into the community. All the first sons of all the youths in this land, bring all of them here. Anybody who challenges you, shoot that person in the head.
Austin! 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 He's not here.
What do you intend to do with us if my husband doesn't meet up with the demand?
Your husband doesn't have a choice. He has to willingly do what I want, or I'll force him.
I'm sorry for everything. Believe me, I wasn't in support of it. I'm sorry, please.
Listen, your husband started from his father. Not be today. Your husband is a murderer. He has killed lots of innocent souls. He has forcefully taken people's properties. You gotta release them more. Otherwise you go beef on now. Don't tell me sorry. He has to do what I want. My boys will give you food to eat, you and your son. If your husband doesn't do what I want, the both of you will die here. He will cry! Get our food to eat.
When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza, Naza, when you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight. Naza, Naza, when we're on the church, and I'm a nobody fair. Naza, okuno kaburuni, say ya yamiya kamuriye.
What is it? What is it? It is Emeka. It is Emeka. The police took him away. They took him away. For what? I don't know. They just dragged him out of the compound. Which way did they? This way. Hey!
Guys! Show! Come and see. See. Come and see.
Naza! Manipo, everywhere down Casablanca. Naza, Manipo, as it stands now, everybody don't kidnap all the children for their Malina no be choice. So as it stands now, if you want to go bye.
Naza, as matter don't critical like this, innocent life they at stake. What you go do? I be not prepared to release.
Any blood when that bastard spill go down on the head, no be our head. As I dey cap una like this, na aura for aura, hostage for hostage, pikin for pikin, bass for give me hot iron.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Please don't do it. Please don't do it, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Don't do this to me, please. I'm sorry, have mercy on me, please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, have mercy on me. I'm your favorite God, please. I'm sorry, please. Don't do this to me.
Shut up!
Please.
Listen, please. Anything when I do you, don't take am personal. You dey feel me?
Okay. I'm sorry, please. Don't do this, please. I'm sorry, don't do this, please. I'm begging you that
your husband don't fuck up.
I know.
Anybody wear price must fight.
I know, please. Please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please.
Remove your hand.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Bring out your phone. Record us.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Record us. Fast. Are you there?
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
God! Bring your nose here.
The entire kingdom is in chaos. Please, release these children, let them go. They are innocent.
Take this phone. Make a video for me.
Don't kill me, please don't kill me.
accept the will of the gods. But my son is not present. He has been kidnapped. I am willing to sacrifice him. I am ready.
Do you have any of his personal belongings?
Yes.
Now the gods will fight your battle. Ijododo, ụbọchị anọ dị n'izu, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, Ọka ekuku ome, Ife ọbụ, Ijebeji Anana, Eke, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, Ijododo.
This bead will protect you from all evil. You should always put it on. It will also protect the queen and her son. I sense evil. May the gods be with you.
If I cap you, you don't go believe on. Don't know me. Speaking for don't die.
Can't believe like what you see. Even if I say that this is a kid or a man. And this is someone who won't buy this day.
Son Naza, his son.
That's every day.
Is it done?
I'm afraid the young prince is protected by a powerful force. He cannot be killed in the spirit. It now rests on you. Time is of the essence. He must die.
Who be the target?
Now the prince. But what I no understand now who won't buy this small pikin? What did this small boy do?
Na person when no get conscience go kill small pikin. And me and you already know the one person when no get conscience for this kingdom.
Papa. But why? Now because we kidnap this pikin, make can they do everything we they do for the kingdom. How come they won't kill her?
I don't know. But I know say that man heart black like charcoal. And his hands dead for this attack. Assemble the boys. We get talk.
Active.
Come out and face me, I'm here for you! Equitike! Equitike! I'm here for you, come out! Today, you will tell the entire kingdom why you won't buy your son.
I don't understand why one man won't buy your son. Today, you will let them know.
Secondly, the throne you are seated on is my birthright. You will step down today.
You have no birthright here, woman. You have proved to be a lunatic. You want to become a thorn in my flesh, but that will never happen. The legacy that you are fighting for to regain, I will bury it. Today, where is my son?
I will never give you your son unless you do what I want. You will release everybody in this community that you have kidnapped. Secondly, every single land and property you have forcefully collected from the people in this community, you will give it to them. And thirdly, you will step down from this throne because this is my inheritance.
You are wasting my time, woman. For the last time, where is my son?
Ogumakala! Ogumakala! Ogumakala!
I see you have no idea who you are messing with. Standing before you is King Edochie. They call me the Mountain Lion. I see you have no idea the caliber of man you are dealing with. You think I'm a toddler? Huh, woman? I am Igwe Ekwedike. They call me the Mountain Lion. I am the wrath of the gods. Nobody challenges me and lives to tell the story.
Austin! Bring his wife and son, now!
You are making a big mistake, woman. Today you shall die, woman.
Come here! I'll kill her! One bullet in the head if you don't step down!
Please step down, please. Step down, please.
Really? Let me help you, woman. Give me my son.
No!
Or you die.
No. It's royal blood for royal blood.
Naza, Naza. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza, Naza, woman. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. Naza, Naza. When we're on the church, and a man who can if Naza, Okunoka.
Young man. Officer. You've been released.
What?
Officer, I thought I was supposed to have my court hearing tomorrow.
There is no need for that. You've been discharged and acquitted.
What?
Yes.
Officer, you mean I'm a free man?
Go home. You're a free man.
You mean?
Naza, Naza. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. Naza, Naza, woman. When you call her for war, she's ready for war. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. She know the fear at all. She's ready to fight ya. Naza, Naza. When we're on the church, and a man who can if Naza, Okuno Kabuluni, say ya Yamina Kabuye, honor the mama. Respect is a reciprocal. Manabuluni Choka, Bayalugu. Naza is ready.